Highway to the moon, nakatapad wag kaingon. Init kayo dire. Oh, oh, only you can make a darling sun. Only you. Kamusta na yung mga kalamansi nato, ma'am? Nahurot na. Nahurot ng harvest. Hanip OFW. Bago kasugod na katugon nag-LS ko sa'yo kay simpang gabi man o niya gaya na nagsugod kaya alas 4 pa, alas 3 pa, alas mata na 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 oo lang kay sa'yo mga tasa buntag kay simpang gabi Misa di Gallo ba? Misa di Gallo sa tuwing Pasko nagdarasal ang mga tao. Ha? Ilang gabi pa? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mao, simba na gyud oh. Kasugod ka ng buntag. Kaya alas 3 pa, mata na. May the sunny orange sea. La 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 la. Oh, holy night, the stars so brightly shining it as the night over dear Savior's birth. Lonely the world and sin and errors pining. Still help and the soul to hear the angel voice tonight. I am busy right now. No comments. Oh, Len, how are you? Good evening. Just watching. Yeah. No problem. It's okay. You're cooking? Da na